So we were at the auto train, signs back there. There's the tracks. And there's the long line of cars.
And we've been here about an hour and 10 minutes.
I've been here about an hour and 10 minutes waiting to get on. We were watching cars come off though, so the train's here, but we gotta wait in this line. Exciting stuff.
Yeah. We won't bore you and keep the thing running.
All right, we're on the train. This is the window. This is a chair. This is a mirror.
Yes.
Hello. This is a bathroom.
Let's show it.
Yeah. It's got the accommodations, and there's a shower if anyone wants to shower. There's towels, and there's toilet paper. And there's a little sink. And then there's our seats.
Careful.
And then this pulls down for another bed. Alright, we got, Dad went to the bar car. I should have made him take the camera. We got a drink for Daddy, alcoholic beverage, and then he got us some wine. This you said was 16?
Yeah.
And then that was
8.
This was 8. It's a Dewar's. And we got 2 bottles of water that were already in here, and then wine. And dinner came. I got the tortellini, and Dad got the steak. This is what it looks like. And we got our complimentary glass of wine, which was a decent amount. It came in a coffee cup, but then we had our wine from before. And then in here we have cheesecake.
It's okay. Thank you.
We got our utensils that were in the bag, and then chocolate torts. Unless you know how those are, and we also got Diet Cokes, which come with a glass of ice. Now we are set up for bed. There's Papa / my dad up there. It's got a little net to make sure you don't fall down. Ladder, and then bed. And I give you a blankie. We got our continental breakfast. I got some milk to go with cereal and juice. And then we also got some coffee cake and some bananas. And we're going through Richmond, Virginia. We're supposed to be arriving at 9:45, which is only 45 minutes late, which isn't too bad considering we boarded an hour late. And
2 hours late.
we boarded 2 hours late. And the train before us was 4 hours late, so we're only arriving 45 minutes late, so it's really not bad. Exceeded expectations. That's not a river.
Maybe we're not there yet.
I figured.
Please remember to hit your call buttons at your earliest convenience so that it can come around and reset your rooms prior to arrival. Once again, final call for breakfast.
Pretty river,
Please remember,
Richmond
as you are
River or
out
something.
walking about